Hi everyone, this is Save Create the Heart, and I'm back with a Not Too Shabby Shop Design Team project for the March subscription box. I am going to be making this little gift card holder, and is using the little ladybug paper and the ephemera. And when you pull it up, there's a little pocket here for a gift card. And it just kind of pulls up a little bit. You get a little message, so it's like a little interaction. And it's just really fun to make and easy to decorate using all of your fun Not Too Shabby Shop products. So for this card, I'm going to use this stamp set, which is, let's see, this one's called Spring is Change. So I'm going to be using this one, and I'm going to be using the little ladybugs paper. So what you're going to need is you're going to need 2 sheets of cardstock. This sheet measures 4 1/4 by 11. You're going to score at 3 1/2 and at 7 1/4, and that's going to give you that sort of almost like a match box. It kind of folds right there in the middle there. And then you're going to need a second piece of paper that measures cardstock that measures 3 1/2 by 7 1/4. You're going to score at 1 7/8 and 6 3/4. And then you're going to go ahead and fold it like this. This is kind of how it's going to end up being. It's going to end up being like that. So on this score line, the small score line, you can go ahead and put your tape or your glue. And then down here for your pocket, you're going to go ahead and put your score tape or your glue so you can close your pocket. And if you want, this is totally optional, you can go ahead and do something here as a little place to kind of pull your gift card out. Doesn't really need it. But just for a decorative edge, you could go ahead and do that. I just used a circle punch and just punched a little thing in there. So the way that you're going to do it is you're going to go ahead and you're going to actually, the score line is going to be open. So it's going to be open, and you're just going to go ahead and line it up to the score line, and you're going to center it, and then you're going to pull this tape up, or you're going to go ahead and put glue. It's up to you, but I like the score tape. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to fold this down. And then what that will do is it'll pull it up a little bit, you know, when you have to pull it up. So it kind of gives you that little pull. So I'm going to go like this. When it's like this, it pulls up for the gift card. You see that? Okay, so then we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this off right here. And now we've got our pocket, okay? So now we're ready to decorate. We're ready to decorate. So to decorate the front, I've got all these fun little pieces here. What am I going to do? I think this is going to go here. I think this is going to go on the inside. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this here. And I am just going to use, I think, some glue. So I ended up, you can see this thing is empty. I ended up killing this paper pad. So everybody will get a chance to see throughout the month where I did that. So I had a lot of fun with this paper. It's really pretty and fun. Okay, so there's that piece. And then I'm going to do like this. Make sure I'm doing this correctly, like that. Right. Okay. This is going to be inside here. Go ahead and decorate that. And then this is going to go right here. So like that. This is going to go right here. And I think so I want to do, let's see here. I think this is like that. I think I just have an extra piece of paper here. Okay, so let's go ahead and decorate this. This is that sentiment. Put that one right here. Maybe I'll do this just for a little something extra. And I think this is just extra, I think. So it's going to get closed like that. Okay, so now let's decorate the and I'll do this here. Okay, so now I've got this. I used my Spiral Binders Nestabilities, but you can use whatever actually going to fit right here. Before I do this by using ribbon, and the thing about using ribbon is that it is like a little bit of a looser option than like gluing it down, so that your mechanism will move forward a little bit easier. So let's just, I'm not a pro at ribbon. I don't use ribbon that much. Looks like a big piece of ribbon. I'll put that up there. And then so let's just do it like that. Okay, so that's that down. I'll move this down a little bit. Okay, so now we've got our piece right here. And you could use whatever you'd like down here, but you kind of want it to kind of hang down a little bit because it helps kind of keep it closed a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on top. Right here. Okay, so that goes down pretty well. Now I've got my cute little gnome. I colored this in with Copics. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one down, and I've got a little birdie. Okay, so then it flips up like this. Isn't that cute? So let me pull the gift card out of this one. And right in here. So like this, and then it pulls up, and then the gift card gets pulled up with it. Isn't that fun? Really easy to make, super fun and cute. Be sure to visit the Not Too Shabby shop so that you can get these products so you can make your own fun things. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Praying with the Heart.